Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now if you watched our last vlog, you'll know that we're in Asturias about to visit a national park. We did visit that national park and it was absolutely incredible, but we're not going to show you that today.
No, what we're going to do is catch you right up to present day because so much has happened over the last 10 days. We can't even believe it. The world's gone crazy, hasn't it? So we want to fill you in on what's happened with us.
Because so much has happened and so much has changed over the last 10 days, we've split this into two vlogs. This one's going out today, obviously, and the other one will be going out in a few days.
Now, right now, we're in a bit of a
crazy location. The
Yes.
weather's not the best we've had.
Yeah.
And the visibility is
Zero.
Zero.
It has been since we kind of arrived here, but we'll fill you in to exactly where we are kind of at the end of the vlog.
But we're safe, we're safe.
We're safe. So now we're going to take you back to just over a week ago where we had that dreaded vehicle inspection. So guys, today is the day of the vehicle inspection. We've been so nervous, we are so nervous. Nick is getting it done now in the building behind me. And yeah, let's just pray he passes. Well,
I knew it. We passed! We passed! Give me a high five! Yes. Few observations, to be fair. I think it's like something to do with the brakes, which we thought was a bit unbalanced, but we've got there. It's like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This is the golden ticket. It's a red ticket, another 6 months. But it's good. From what I get, there's a little bit of oil leaking, but not dripping, oozing slightly. So he's just a bit dirty. How the battery's fixed. So maybe he doesn't like our shoddy baking tray that the battery sits on. Maybe he doesn't appreciate that.
we need to get a new baking tray for next time.
It's got a bit rusty, the baking tray.
It did look like they were more strict here. They were having a real good look underneath. I mean, we've never been told that there's a bit of oil on the engine or anything like that, and there's a few observations, but oh, just so happy, so happy.
So that's one uncertainty, now certain.
Yeah. All right, now what are we going to do?
Give me 5. Yeah!
Good boy.
Let's get out of here before they
Boy,
change
we
their
did
mind.
it, boys, we did it. Yeah, we did it.
So yes, we were so chuffed we passed first time. Couldn't believe it. It was such a relief.
Yeah, it totally was. And we were kind of waiting around. This was like just waiting around for this test to be done before we could kind of move on to the next decisions and the next kind of part of the adventure, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, we're a little bit worried about it the whole time, so we were travelling up. But anyway, yeah, just before we took the test, we decided to swap van life for apartment life. Yes, we checked into this lovely little one-bedroom apartment, Casa Benito. The main reason we checked in was for the ITUV, so we could basically unload a lot of our stuff, all our heavy things, our electrical gear and supboards and things like that. Because we were expecting to fail, we're expecting to rush around loads of mechanics trying to get things sorted, and we don't want to leave all our gear in the van when it's left at the mechanics.
Yeah, so we were thinking about like campsites or something like that, but this apartment actually works out cheaper than a campsite, which is crazy, isn't it? And it's really nice. It works out at like 29 euros a night. Beautiful area as well here in Galicia.
Beautiful. It's like a little retreat. It's like couple of kilometres away from the coastline and the famous cathedral beach, in sort of like a little hamlet. It's all very rustic, lovely sort of stonework on the outside. One of these famous grain stores, which we haven't mentioned actually, but all over Galicia they've got these like well, we thought they may have been coffins. Well, we didn't really, but we saw them all over the place. Yeah. They're coffin-like shape, they vary in size, all different styles.
They've got a really cool one out here, haven't they?
It's been nice little break to stay in the apartment for a few days.
Yeah, I mean,
it?
come on, not going to lie, it's nice having unlimited hot water and being able to have a lovely shower here as well, and being able to use the oven and everything else that an apartment provides that a tiny little van doesn't. But saying that, we have missed the van.
So we've just got to pack up now and leave it nicer than when we found it. We've been charging all our stuff to get back on the road, so that's all charged now, so we've got to take all our electrics and the SUP boards and stuff.
So yeah, as nice as this apartment has been, we're really excited to get back in the van. Yes, back to amazing views out the window. I mean, it's all right staying in a house or an apartment, but you don't get ever-changing views like this, do you? I mean, we can just see this beautiful lake all around us. It's been raining pretty much all night, but we love it.
Charlie playing chase?
Oh, just a little amigo turn up. Just a little amigo turn up. Hey?
He's got a collar, we're not keeping him. Oh, you've got a little chaser there, haven't you, Charlie, eh? Literally charging around for the last 10 minutes. But I've only got 1% battery and the camera's about to die. But Charlie's found his little playmate, a cross between them both, isn't he? Short hair but ginger. About the same size, and they're all getting on really well. Oh, so sad to leave. So yeah, we checked out the apartment, and the next day we're staying at a beautiful location on the shores of that stunning lake. And then we sort of started to progress along northern Spain. There were so many things that we really wanted to see that we researched previously, inland and on the coast. One highlight particularly would be the Picos de Europa, so we're really excited about continuing the journey.
Yes, but as you guys know, things kind of got quite bad, didn't they? And over the last few days have kind of escalated into lockdowns. Countries now are already locked down or in the process of locking down. It's getting harder and harder to travel.
We've just made the decision to go back to the UK. We've been travelling around northern Spain. Things have progressed here with coronavirus, so we made our decision and we're heading back. Oh.
Yeah, now it's not a good time to head back to the UK. It's not really a good time to travel anywhere at the moment, but we really need to, because it's been a long time since we've seen our family, and it's important we do see our family. And if we don't do this now, we don't know when the next chance we're going to get.
That's what we're doing. And yesterday we went and did a big shop at Lidl and got enough supplies to keep us going for the next 2 weeks.
Now, the reason we have stocked up on food and diesel is because we have now officially started like self-isolating as of yesterday when we went to the supermarket, because we know that we're going to still have to do the self-isolation quarantine thing when we get back to the UK, but we want to do it for ourselves so we know that we haven't got COVID, well, as best we can, best to our knowledge, when we arrive, and then we'll still isolate, but we just want to kind of keep on top of it.
Yeah. So yeah, we've done our shop, and we made it to our first park up on the big journey, and it's a pretty nice location. We're in Cantabria now. It'll be the one and only night we're spending here.
Yeah, I think the plan is to get across to France probably tomorrow and then continue the drive through. But this location is pretty amazing, isn't it?
Pretty awesome. So yeah, just found randomly this spot. We're just about 200 metres off the motorway, and it's just incredible. You've got surrounded by these mountains, you've got a little bay there, then you've got all these really sharp, jagged rocks.
And they're really sharp, like you can cut your hand on them, aren't they? They're crazy. You have to be careful with the dogs with their paws. We came down here last night, had a little run around and enjoyed the kind of sunset.
The dogs were running around, we were just kind of walking.
Yeah, we were just walking very slowly. And yeah, so where exactly are we, love? We're about an hour's drive from Bilbao.
Yeah, we've just come into Cantabria. So it's our first taste, and it's really nice. Yeah, we drove straight through Asturias, and oh my god, we had to drive past the Picos.
Yeah.
We saw them and looked incredible from the road.
Yeah.
And it's very sadly had to just continue driving.
I think, as we mentioned in our last vlog, that was going to be like one of the highlights. It is one of the highlights of northern Spain. The thing is, it's forecast quite bad weather for the next few days, and then we didn't want to wait for that weather to improve and then put off getting back to the UK like another week or something, so we just had to drive past.
But we will be, I mean, we say this about every country, but we live here in Spain, and on our way back down we are planning hopefully to come back to this area when we've got more time. But this is not bad, and this is just a little random location.
And there's a little blowhole over there as well, which is pretty cool. Let's go and check that out.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah. You just put your ear there. Whoa, gosh, it's so loud. That would actually probably be quite dangerous to put your ear there, wouldn't it? Like right against the hole. That's mad. Hey, hello, sweetie. So yeah, quite a cool location, but we do need to move on. Yes, as we mentioned before, we are full of food. We've got that full up. We've got our cool box is pretty much full. And we've even got some extra bits and bobs under here. Some extra loo rolls and things like that, so we don't need to go into any supermarkets from now until, well, so we can get through to the UK basically. So we've no idea how the journey is going to go. We're hoping that we're going to be able to just get through without any issues and without getting stopped or whatnot, but I kind of think we will get stopped. We have got a Spanish registered van, so we should definitely be getting stopped in France, no doubt, maybe asking where we're going. And it's obviously going to be the same when we get to the UK, that we have to fill in forms and things like that, but we're just keeping our fingers crossed that they do let us in and we can get back in time before anything gets kind of worse, as in how as in lockdown measures go. So it's going to be an interesting journey, and of course you guys are coming along with us, so let's hit the road. Come on, little one, it's time to get out of bed. Everyone else is up. Charlie's been out for the toilet and you haven't even been out at all. Come on then, little one, it's not even that cold. Stop being a little wimp. Oh, look how sweet he is. Come on, you got wee-wees, we need to get going. New country day. He's just lazy. He literally doesn't want to get out of bed unless you carry him out of bed. Whoop, lah. And you got wee-wees now. Good morning, guys, and since leaving you yesterday at our lovely little wild spot, we have cruised on through to the Basque Country, and we are just past Bilbao, and we're at a motorhome stop. There's about 5 or 6 other little vans here and motorhomes, and today we're going to cruise into France. That's the plan. Now, after checking on the internet last night, most of the country's still okay with just restrictions and this curfew and stuff, but I think the Basque Country has gone into a proper sort of confinement type thing. Yeah. So we're hoping we're not going to have any issues as we drive through, but we thought we would just obviously keep you guys up to date and let you know exactly what happens as we try and cross the border into France today. Now, the first stop is a supermarket. Even though we said yesterday that we are all ready and we're going to be isolating ourselves and not going to any, we've realised that we haven't got enough garlic to get us through to the UK. So we have to go to the supermarket. I can't. I've said it before, I can't live without garlic. I have to have it in every meal. And I think garlic is a really good thing to keep you. Superfood.
It's a superfood, and we need superfoods in trying times like this.
Yeah, we need it to keep I mean, I believe that garlic is the answer to all, the
world's problems.
The world's problems. As long as you eat loads and loads of garlic, not only does it keep people away from you, but it keeps your body doing good things. That's just my opinion. That's what I believe. So we're going.
Google it. It's pretty good.
We're going in to get garlic. We're going in as soon as the supermarket opens.
There's a few other things we need to get, not just garlic. Yeah, we did forget a few things, but we're going to make sure we're going gloved up, hand san, everything.
As soon as the supermarket opens, so we're hoping it's not busy, and then we'll be extra careful because we are actually officially trying to start self-isolating. But when you are self-isolating in quarantine or whatnot, you are actually allowed to go to a supermarket, aren't you? If you've got no one else to go for you. And we haven't got anywhere else to go. We can't send the dogs, can we?
I don't know whether garlic's essential though. I don't know whether the police would let you just go for garlic.
We could like put a sign up.
Toilet roll. We need toilet roll. Of course we do.
We could put a sign out the window like, "Pass, can you get some garlic when you go in the store?" Just a random. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing. That's the plan. So let's see how our day pans out. Are you ready to hit the road?
Nope.
We're gonna do it anyway. Be nice.
Be nice. Good boy.
There we go.
Yeah.
There
Hey, go. Ready, steady, go.
Go.
Come on, go, 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 go.
Go.
Dizzee.
No growling. Wait, Charlie.
Oh, this is nice, isn't it? All we in that spot. Oh, Dizzee getting a lick on the bottom.